and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. 5 constables of Escort cell of Goa police suspended. Inmates in their custody were found intoxicated. They had taken the inmates to a court in Margao. Naveli Bandh 100% successful. Schools, shops closed. Local oppose Piga and plant of Seza Goa. Carry out a morcha on the plant. Former Home Secretary says IPS officers have wasted interest in getting themselves transferred to Goa, says Goa considered a soft posting state. Kalangut witnesses another fight. Tourist students and tourist taxi operators clash with each other on a small reason. 6 injured, 4 arrested. Monsoon in state inches towards century. Heavy rains affects normal life. Met Department advises fishermen not to venture into deep sea. And irregularity in Shadab Jakati's birth certificate. Shashikant Sardesai demands Goa Cricket Association to appoint an arbitrator within a week. And now the news in detail. Goa police have suspended 5 constables of their escort cell. They are suspended as the inmates they were escorting were found in an intoxicated state. They had taken the inmates to a court in Margao for their case hearing on Friday. Later, they were admitted to a hospital. SP headquarters Shekhar Prabhudesai has suspended 5 constables of escort cell on Monday. Police were investigating into the case wherein the 3 under trials were found highly intoxicated who were escorted by these 5 constables. The inquiry is pending. They had taken the inmates to a court in Margao for their case hearing on Friday. Our reporter from Panji, Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent Media. It was a total bandh at Naveli in Bicholi on Monday. Bandh called by residents of Naveli to oppose the Seza Goa's pig iron plant turned 100% successful. All the schools, shops, other commercial establishment and traffic was off-road. Locals are afraid about pollution once the plant starts.
All the schools, high secondary schools, banks, shops and other establishments were closed in support of the bandh. Around 500 odd residents of Naveli took out morcha and gathered at the gate of Seza Goa plant. Locals blocked the road and shouted slogans against Seza Goa management. Police force was deployed at the spot to control the situation. Traffic was jammed for hours and finally it was diverted. Sakade MLA Pramod Samant and ex-MLA Pratap Gawas too supported the bandh.
आता जी प्रोसेशन रॅली काढली एका पूर्णता एज आमदार ह्या नात्यान आणि भारतीय जनता पार्टीचो तसो फाटिंबो आसा.
हो जो एक्सटेंशन प्रकल्प आसा पळय आमकां पयलीं खबर आसली त्या लागून लोकांक पोल्युशन जातलें म्हणून त्या टायमार ते शक्य जालें ना म्हणजे लोकांक तशें पयलीं कळोंक ना.
Collector, Deputy Collector of Bicholi and Mamlatdar were present on the spot, but the residents of Naveli refused to discuss the matter with the collector and other authorities.
आता कलेक्टर येयलो मामलेदार येवन गेले तांकां आमी सांगला आमी तुमच्या वांगडा डिस्कशन करपाक ना. लोक जेन्ना आमच्या हांगा आसा तेन्ना आमी वयर डिस्कशन करिना तुमच्या वांगडा. आमी जे कितें ठराव आसा न्हू ते आमी डायरेक्ट तुका हाडून ऑफिसान धांवन दिता इतकें आमी सांगलेलें आसा.
Children also protested against the plant. Locals expressed their anger.
भुरग्यां बाय फुडें त्रास न्हू गोंयशाचो आमकां खबर नासलें जाल्यार आमी बांदता आसतना तेन्नाच मोडटलें फॅक्टरी म्हणून फुडें सरतले आमी चालू करपाक दिवकूच जायना. पयलीं खबर नासलें आनी आतां कळ्ळां न्हू आतां आमी चालू करपाक दिवचीच नाय. आमकां सेजा गोवाचो प्रकल्प नाका. सेजा गोवा म्हणजे आमकां खूब दूर जाता. आमकां सेजा गोवाचो दूर नाका.
From Naveli, Uday Parab for Prudent Media.
Former Home Secretary of India G.K. Pillai feels that some IPS officers might have vested interest behind getting themselves transferred to Goa. Goa is considered a soft posting state. He feels that state government cannot blame centre for posting IPS officers without taking state into confidence, as postings are decided by AGMU Cadre Control Authority. Former Secretary of India G.K. Pillai opined that Goa government has to accept the posting since the transfers are according to the transfer policy. He also informed that Goa is considered a soft posting state and some officers have developed their vested interest. Pillai was in Goa for 13th Regulators and Policy Makers Retreat 2012 held at Bamboli.
एक ट्रांसफ़र पॉलिसी होम मिनिस्ट्री ने बनाया है और जब ये पॉलिसी बनाया था सब स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स चीफ सेक्रेटरी से डीजीपी से कंसल्ट करके ड्राफ्ट पॉलिसी बनाया था, उनका कमेंट्स भी ले लिया, डिस्कशन भी हुआ था और उसके बाद हम एक ट्रांसफ़र पॉलिसी बनाया। तो इस ट्रांसफ़र पॉलिसी के अनुसार हमको स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स को कंसल्ट करते हैं बिफोर एवरी जो पोस्टिंग के लिए कंसल्ट करते हैं। सो लॉन्ग एज जो ट्रांसफ़र हम करते हैं वो पॉलिसी के मुताबिक है तो फिर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए। ऐसा होता है कि कई बार कई ऑफिसर्स को एक स्टेट में रहने के लिए थोड़ा वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट डेवलप करते हैं, तो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट डोंट वांट टू रिलीज देम। तो बाकी लोग भी है जो हार्ड पोस्टिंग्स में है, गोवा इज नॉट अ कंसिडर्ड हार्ड पोस्टिंग, जो कोई है अरुणाचल प्रदेश में है तो उनको हार्ड पोस्टिंग से या अंडमान से शिफ्ट करना है तो अनलेस समबडी फ्रॉम गोवा मूव्स आउट ही विल अदरवाइज कंटिन्यू टू बी इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश में रहेंगे। बट कंसल्ट तो ज़रूर हम करते हैं और ट्रांसफर पॉलिसी के मुताबिक ही हम करते हैं।
IPS officers are appointed through the Cadre Controlling Authority of Arunachal Pradesh, Goa, Mizoram and Union Territories. According to the transfer policy, state government is taken into confidence before posting any officers in a particular state. A reporter from Panji, Mahesh Ghadi, with video journalist Onkar Fahari. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.